Hi TOEFL takers. So today we're going to talk about integrated speaking task number 3. If you remember, there are 6 speaking tasks, right? And this is the third one. This is the first one after your 2 independent speaking tasks. Now, this is not an outline so much of the question, but an analogy of the question, a different way to think about the question that should help you answer the question and to kind of reimagine it. I'm going to do one for each. I'm going to do one of these analogy videos for each integrated speaking response. Let's talk about number 3. Okay, integrated speaking number 3. You have to read something in 45 seconds. It goes away. You listen to a conversation that is a reaction between 2 people to what was said in the reading, and that's going to take about 60 to 90 seconds. And then you prepare for 30 seconds, and you speak for 60 seconds. Now, and what do you have to speak about? Well, let me say that. You have to report on the information, and that's the key word, reports. What I want you to do is, for integrated speaking question number 3, I'm going to put this PDF up here, okay? I want you to imagine you're a reporter. Imagine you're a reporter. The reading passage in section number 3 is some change, something new on campus, right? What do reporters do? What do reporters report on? They report on changes. News, things that happen, right? If you go to work every day at the same time and everything happens the same every day, not a whole lot of news to report on. But if some tragedy happens to you, or some incredible, you win the lottery or something great happens to you, then the news cameras will come to you. When something changes, that's when reporters report. And so that's what you want to do. You want to be a reporter. You find the change in the reading. You listen to the conversation, and in the conversation, somebody gives their opinion. Now imagine a news report. Let's say, for example, there's some new construction, some new building in Midtown Manhattan, right? A new building. What are they going to do? What do the news do? What does the news do? First, they give you some outline. So this guy, he's a rich investor. He bought this land, and he's going to build a new building. So they give you that general information. What do the news reporters do after that? They go to the street and they ask people's opinions, right? What do you think about this? Well, I think it's bad because, and whatever, people say their opinion, right? That's what this is, right? And that's what you're going to report on. So to help you attack and answer integrated speaking question number 3, just imagine that you're a reporter.